Very good morning to all of you, dear student. Myself Santosh Kumar Srivastava. Today we are going to derive the lens maker formula when medium are not same both side of the lens. Here you see a thin lens L is placed somewhere in one side of it. Medium is N1 and other side of it medium is N3. The first medium refractive index N1 and second medium refractive index, which is made by thin lens, is N2 and third medium refractive index is N3. Like air, glass, water. Air, glass, water or some other medium etc. The lens has optical center C. Its first surface pole P1 and second surface pole P2. The center of curvature of first surface is C1 and second surface is C2. An object is placed on its principal axis from the first surface at u meter distance and a point object O is placed on its principal axis at u meter distance from the first surface. A light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium. N1 is the rarer medium. The light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium. That is why after refraction it goes along AB direction, bending towards normal NaC2. And after emerging from the second surface, thereafter refraction, it goes far away from the normal N to B C2 and goes along BI direction. Another light ray O dash P travel in straight way, passing through the optical center and going along CI direction without any deviation. Refracted ray BI and CI meet together at a point I where image is far of the object O at B meter distance from the surface P2. If the refracted ray AB and CI produce backward, then we will see clearly that these refracted ray which are produced backward also meet together on the principal axis at I dash, where the virtual image are obtained of the object. So for the first surface, we can see here the light ray travel OA incidence at point A, and after refraction it goes along AB direction. Another light ray OC passing through optical center in straight way without any deviation. After refraction, if we produce, we can see here it OA goes along in AB direction and OC goes along in CI direction. If we produce these refracted ray backward, then we will find that virtual image of the object I dash So for the first surface, image is obtained by the lens. So N2 upon V dash, where is object placed at u meter distance. In which medium? N1. So N1 upon u is equal to N2 minus N1 upon R1. It is equal to equation number first. But you can see here I dash work as a virtual object for the second surface. I dash work as a virtual object for the second surface. That is why the real image is obtained at I from P2 at B meter distance. Thus, for the second surface, N3 upon B, where is the image formed? In medium N3. And from which object is placed, from which this image is obtained? N2 upon B dash. B dash is the distance of object which is act as virtual object I dash. That is equal to N3 upon N3 minus N2 upon R2. This, if we take in minus common in right hand side, then we will get N3 upon B minus N2 upon B dash is equal to minus N2 minus N3 upon R2. This is equation number second. Now, adding equation number 1 and 2, then we will get N2 upon B dash minus N1 upon U is equal to N2 minus N1 upon R1. It is equation number 1. N3 upon B minus N2 upon B dash is equal to minus N2 minus N3 upon R1. This is equation number 2. Here N2 upon B dash is cancelled to N2 upon B dash. Then we will get N3 upon V minus N1 upon U is equal to N2 minus N1 upon R1 minus N2 minus N1 upon R2. Then we will get N3 upon B minus N1 upon U is equal to N2 minus N1 upon R1 minus N2 minus N3 upon R2. If the medium are same, if the medium are same, the medium are same, then same both side of the equivalent, both side of the lens. Then n3 is equal to n1, n3 is equal to n1, both side of the lens, yani n1 is equal to n3, n3 is equal to n1. If we will put in this equation, then we will get n3 upon b minus n1 upon u is equal to n2 minus n1 upon r1 minus n2 minus n1 upon r1. Sorry, here r2. Then we can take common n1 in left hand side, then we will get n1 in bracket 1 upon b minus 1 upon u is equal to n2 minus n1 in bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. So that n1 in bracket 1 upon b minus 1 upon u is equal to, here we take n1 common, then we will get in this bracket n2 upon n1 minus 1 in other bracket 1 minus 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Since n1 is cancelled to n1, though, so that we will get 1 upon b minus 1 upon u is equal to n minus 1 in bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2 bracket close. Thus 1 upon b minus 1 upon u is equal to n minus 1 in bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. This is the equation number 3. If object is placed on infinity, if object is placed on infinity and object is placed on infinity, then image is formed at the second focal point of the lens. Second focal point of the lens. Then thus if we put here, then we will get 1 upon f e minus 1 upon infinite is equal to n minus 1 in bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. 1 upon f, in this way 1 upon f is equal to n minus 1 in bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2.